Welcome to Dex. Let's walk through downloading your billing invoices. But first, remember that the invoice is generated and sent via email to the merchant billing contact on the 6th of each month. Let's start. Click the Locations section in the Dex main menu. Find the desired location and click on it to access the location details. Next, click on the Documents tab to view and download the historical documents of your account, including previous month's invoices and 1099-K forms. Click the download icon on the right side of the invoice you wish to download. Once completed, you can easily open the invoice from your download folder. Invoices include information such as merchant details, fees and charges, as well as total amount due. Viewing and downloading your billing invoice is quick and simple in Dex.